Hi, friends. It's Pat Sloan here. I am super excited to be able to tell you that I have more of the Out West kits. Yes, I contacted Fat Quarter Shop and said, you guys bought all of them in like 24 hours or something crazy. You really like it. So they were able to get more fabric. So we're able to do another set of kits. I'm not sure how many we can do. So this set of them is now available. The link is right below the video in the text. So you can pick up a kit. And I wanted to show you, I have two of them that I'm working with. One to show, of course, and one to actually open up and use. So I want to show you the print. This is the border print that kicked off for me the colorway. So I use this gorgeous, gorgeous floral. I don't know, it just spoke to me. I wanted, when I did Out West, I wanted to feel for not just the old history of the West, and I'm thinking not the sort of down and dirty, well, stagecoaches, yeah, but I'm more thinking like the towns, once they built the Western towns, big wide streets, the ladies in their dresses, the men all spiffed up, that was kind of the feel. But I'm also wanted to have a sort of look at current day Western lifestyles. The people any of you who live in the West. I don't live in the West. I live in the East Coast. I live in Virginia, but we all have a bit of Western in us. I mean, whether, and I've been there many, many times, and so I just have this sort of feel, and this fabric is one that did it. So this kicked off all the fabrics that I picked that went with this to build our Out West block of the month sew along. So it's a free sew along. So if you missed me talking about it the other day on my fireside chat, it starts the first Friday in January, which is very, very soon. So I've been working on some blocks, getting the writing done, been doing some photography. So there's a lot of back story things, back behind the scenes things. And to keep everything festive in my studio, I have left Mr. Frosty up for a bit. I'm going to I'm going to need to get him off the wall. This is my only design wall because I have a very small space and I have, a lot of stuff in here. So this is my only design wall space. And he's just so cute. And so I've thought, well, I'm just going to leave him up just a little bit longer, just until I absolutely have to. He's easy to take down, luckily. It's just one big piece. And so, so I'll link you to Mr. Frosty panel. It's a panel. So I'm going to be doing the inner border and I probably am going to go with this border on it. Not 100%, not 100%, but I have to look around and see what else I have. I didn't want to get it too dark. I wanted to keep it kind of light. So I don't know. I own that. So I didn't really want to buy anything else. Some people suggested aqua, like the mittens. So I'm like, Anyway, still thinking on that. So I'm Pat Sloan. Thank you for being here. Thank you for using all of my links when you're doing your shopping. It helps support our small family business. I love you, and I hope you are doing awesome on this last few days of 2019. Yeah. Talk to you later.